So here we're given this set of inequalities, and we're asked to find in which of these graphs the shaded region represents these inequalities combined. So I'll start with the simple ones here. This means x is between 10 and 40, and you will see these vertical lines because this is at x equal to 10 roughly, and x equal to 40 here. So what this means is that we're looking at, if I had to draw this out, that x is between 10 and 40, so this entire region would be shaded. We also have y is between 0 and 30, so this would be where y is 0, the horizontal line, which is really same as the x-axis. So y is between 0 and 30, so it was here. So now we're looking at this region. So far we have this intersection, this square, just from these two inequalities. So you can also use that to eliminate some of the answer choices, meaning the resulting shaded region has to fall within this square. And if you look at these, this one does, that one doesn't because it goes outside below the x-axis, so that one is out, that one does too. I don't think I'll be able to eliminate many. That one also, and then but this is outside. So left between f, g, and k. So now I have to write out these two other inequalities that are based on equation of line. So first thing to do is to notice that both of these are lines with negative slope, and that basically shows that how these are sloping in this direction. And this one has a slope of -1, -1/3, and those would be the y-intercept 10 and 45. So the line that's, let me actually redraw this separately, these two lines. So that has a -1 slope, so that's going to look something like that, and this is -1/3, so that would have a shallower slope, so something like this, and its y-intercept is less than that, so that one would be 0, 10, 0, 45. So it would have this type of a format, so that's what we're going to use to detect. And the next part is, how does this determine which side of the region is shaded? So I'll start with the third one here. Y is greater than or equal to -1/3 x plus 10. So any straight line divides the plane into two halves. So there's this half plane and that half plane, and we need to find which half plane this inequality is satisfied. And the easiest test is to always use the origin. So if we replace y with 0 and x with 0, we see, does the origin satisfy this condition? And you will see that 0 is not greater than or equal to 10, which means 0 would not be in the shaded region, meaning the origin does not satisfy this inequality, which means it would be the region above. So that's this part. Same thing with the other line. And again, if we replace y with 0, and indeed 0 is less than or equal to 45, which means that the origin does satisfy this inequality, so we would shade this half of the line. So we're looking at this intersection here, and just based on that, we can see that we'll eliminate that because it's going on the other side. We're left between f and k, and you'll notice that in k, it's shading this region as well, but that's actually not where this falls. It has to be the region between the two lines, and so the only one that satisfies is g, because you'll see that it's between the two lines, and it has to fall within that square, because that's what the first two inequalities determine. So the answer is G.